Come on, guys, it's your boy, the street football on the Congo from. Let's go. Let's go to England. Let's go to the Emirates Stadium, the home of Arsenal Football Club. Full time at the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal 1, Brighton 1. What a lackluster performance by the Gunners. Arsenal were so poor, so lethargic. No hunger, no drive, no zeal, no zeal. And so he ends at the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal 1, Brighton 1. Arsenal fans the best. They are called the best. They say they do us Ojoro, come on. I thought I said, they do me Ojoro, come on. Arsenal fans say they do us Ojoro. The players say they do them Ojoro. But to me, no Ojoro, come on. Arsenal don't play well, they don't play well. They even get lost, so they can get 1 point. If not, Brighton would have won that match. And so it ends at the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal 1, Brighton 1. This Brighton side, very, very difficult, very tactically disciplined, well coached, well organized. I love Brighton. Brighton took away 1 point from the Gunners. So far, so good. Arsenal played 3, 1-2, draw 1. Come on, score 5, concede 1. Come on, this Brighton team, Brighton second on the log. Arsenal